What had you been doing before the rain started?
I had been reading a book before the rain started.
Where had you been living before you moved here?
I had been living in Karachi before I moved here.
How long had you been studying English before joining this class?
I had been studying English for 2 years before joining this class.
Why had you been feeling tired last week?
I had been working late every night last week.
What project had you been working on before the deadline?
I had been working on a website before the deadline.
What had he been eating before he got sick?
He had been eating junk food before he got sick.
How long had she been waiting for the bus?
She had been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes.
Where had they been traveling before the storm hit?
They had been traveling in Europe before the storm hit.
What had it been doing all morning?
It had been raining all morning.
Why had this machine been making strange noises?
This machine had been making strange noises because it needed repair.
How long had Ali been practicing for the competition?
Ali had been practicing for the competition for 6 months.
What had Sarah been writing before the electricity went out?
Sarah had been writing her story before the electricity went out.
Where had the students been studying for the exam?
The students had been studying in the library for the exam.
Why had the teacher been explaining the same topic again?
The teacher had been explaining the same topic because students didn't understand.
How long had the kids been playing football?
The kids had been playing football for 2 hours.
What had John been cooking before the guests arrived?
John had been cooking pasta before the guests arrived.
Where had the birds been building their nest?
The birds had been building their nest in the old tree.
Why had the team been losing every match?
The team had been losing because they were not practicing well.
How long had the workers been repairing the road?
The workers had been repairing the road for a week.
What had the farmers been planting before the rain started?
The farmers had been planting wheat before the rain started.
Where had the children been going every evening?
The children had been going to the park every evening.
Why had she been crying before you arrived?
She had been crying because she lost her phone.
What had he been saying to his friend before the teacher entered?
He had been saying something funny to his friend before the teacher entered.
How long had they been living in that house?
They had been living in that house for 10 years.
What had you been watching before you fell asleep?
I had been watching a movie before I fell asleep.
Where had the tourists been staying before visiting Lahore?
The tourists had been staying in Islamabad before visiting Lahore.
Why had she been studying all night?
She had been studying all night to prepare for her final exam.
How long had he been waiting for his results?
He had been waiting for his results for 2 months.
What had they been talking about before the meeting ended?
They had been talking about their future plans before the meeting ended.
Why had it been snowing since morning?
It had been snowing since morning because of the cold weather.
How long had the driver been driving without rest?
The driver had been driving for 8 hours without rest.
Where had the cat been hiding?
The cat had been hiding under the bed.
What had the students been discussing before the class started?
The students had been discussing the new topic before the class started.
Why had the company been losing money?
The company had been losing money due to poor management.
How long had the rain been falling?
The rain had been falling for 3 hours.
What had the man been shouting about?
The man had been shouting about the missing bag.
Why had the dog been barking all night?
The dog had been barking because it saw a stranger.
How long had the musician been playing the guitar?
The musician had been playing the guitar for years.
What had the chef been preparing before dinner time?
The chef had been preparing soup before dinner time.
Why had the lights been flickering?
The lights had been flickering due to a power issue.
How long had you been working in that company?
I'd been working in that company for 5 years.
What had you been learning before you started English?
I had been learning computer skills before I started English.
Why had you been missing classes last month?
I had been missing classes because I was sick.
How long had you been living abroad before you returned?
I had been living abroad for 3 years before I returned.
What had you been thinking before you made that decision?
I had been thinking about my family before I made that decision.
Where had they been running before the coach stopped them?
They had been running on the ground before the coach stopped them.
What had the gardener been watering in the morning?
The gardener had been watering the flowers in the morning.
How long had the mechanic been fixing the car?
The mechanic had been fixing the car for 2 hours.
Why had the students been laughing loudly?
The students had been laughing because of a funny joke.
What had the old man been telling his grandson?
The old man had been telling his grandson stories about his childhood.
How long had the baby been crying?
The baby had been crying for 10 minutes.
Why had the nurse been checking the patient again and again?
The nurse had been checking the patient because his condition was serious.
What had the painter been working on before the exhibition?
The painter had been working on a landscape before the exhibition.
How long had the writer been writing his novel?
The writer had been writing his novel for 5 years.
What had the singer been doing before the concert?
The singer had been practicing before the concert.
Why had the children been shouting in the classroom?
The children had been shouting because the teacher was late.
How long had the engineer been designing that bridge?
The engineer had been designing that bridge for 6 months.
What had the shopkeeper been selling before the shop closed?
The shopkeeper had been selling fruits before the shop closed.
Where had the family been spending their holidays?
The family had been spending their holidays in Marie.
Why had the computer been running slowly?
The computer had been running slowly because of too many files.
How long had the boy been learning to swim?
The boy had been learning to swim for a month.
What had the friends been planning for the weekend?
The friends had been planning a picnic for the weekend.
Why had the teacher been marking papers so late?
The teacher had been marking papers because exams had just finished.
How long had the students been rehearsing for the play?
The students had been rehearsing for the play for 3 weeks.
What had the doctor been advising his patients?
The doctor had been advising his patients to eat healthy food.
Where had the couple been staying during their honeymoon?
The couple had been staying at a beach resort during their honeymoon.
Why had the shop been closing early?
The shop had been closing early because of low sales.
How long had the rain been flooding the streets?
The rain had been flooding the streets for 2 days.
What had the people been protesting about?
The people had been protesting about high prices.
Why had the bus been arriving late every day?
The bus had been arriving late due to heavy traffic.
How long had she been dreaming about visiting Paris?
She had been dreaming about visiting Paris for years.
What had he been searching for in the drawer?
He had been searching for his passport in the drawer.
Why had they been arguing in the park?
They had been arguing about money in the park.
How long had the company been expanding its business?
The company had been expanding its business for several months.
What had the villagers been celebrating last night?
The villagers had been celebrating a wedding last night.
Why had the cat been meowing loudly?
The cat had been meowing because it was hungry.
How long had the children been learning music?
The children had been learning music for 6 months.
What had the tourists been taking pictures of?
The tourists had been taking pictures of the mountains.
Why had the baby been laughing continuously?
The baby had been laughing because her father was making funny faces.
How long had the workers been building that bridge?
The workers had been building that bridge for a year.
What had the scientist been researching before the discovery?
The scientist had been researching a new formula before the discovery.
Why had the shopkeeper been shouting at the boy?
The shopkeeper had been shouting because the boy broke a bottle.
How long had you been teaching English?
I had been teaching English for 4 years.
What had you been reading last night?
I'd been reading a novel last night.
Why had you been calling me so often?
I had been calling you because I needed your help.
How long had the old woman been living alone?
The old woman had been living alone for 20 years.
What had the kids been doing before lunch?
The kids had been playing cricket before lunch.
Why had the friends been laughing together?
The friends had been laughing because they remembered old memories.
How long had the sun been shining before the clouds came?
The sun had been shining for hours before the clouds came.
What had the students been waiting for in the hall?
The students had been waiting for the principal in the hall.